Welcome to the HidePay tutorial. In this video, we'll explain the new features introduced in the latest update. This update enables you to hide and customize payment button, not just on the checkout page, but also on the product page and the cart page. Now you have complete control over guiding your customers' navigation on your store, seamlessly directing them towards the payment methods that you consider most suitable and advantageous for your business. So remember to upgrade your plan to enjoy the full control on your store. Let's see how it works. Once activated, you'll immediately notice three new buttons: Configure Theme Extension, Checkout, and Store. The new Store section is where all the store rules you create will be listed. These rules can hide the dynamic checkout buttons in the store pages before the checkout. To ensure that a rule functions properly, click on Configure Theme Extension. It's crucial to confirm that the app is activated on your store. Without activation, the rules will not be effective on your store. Let's create our first custom rule by clicking Create Customization on the top right here. As soon as the window opens, the first criteria to set up is the name of the function that help us to identify what it does. Then let's select the conditions that fit your needs. I suggest using cart total with the condition greater or equal and value 0. This setup will keep these functions active for all customers, ensuring smooth operation. Now let's hide a payment button. For example, if we want to hide PayPal on the product page, we select PayPal and the product page switch. Save the rule, and let's see what happened in the store. As you can observe on the product page, there is a PayPal payment button present here. Now, let's activate the newly created rule on HidePay. Upon refreshing the page, you will notice that the PayPal payment button has disappeared. However, it remains visible on the cart page until we specifically hide it there. To achieve this, simply toggle the button under the cart page column in your HidePay rule. Remember to save. As you can see, PayPal is no longer displayed as an option for payment. Notice how you can easily manage any of your rules from the dashboard by quickly switching between the checkout or store list. Experience the power of HidePay's latest feature, putting you in the driver's seat of your Shopify store's purchasing process. Dive into our comprehensive HidePay update tutorial and take command of your store's checkout and customer journey. Have questions or concerns? We're here to help. Reach out to us anytime.